Hi there. Today we are making this simple yet very rich chicken soup that is perfect for both lunch and dinner. You'll need chicken thighs for this recipe. I'm using boneless and skinless chicken thighs. I've already washed them and now I'm gonna go cut them up into bite-sized pieces. Magic rainbow jam. We'll start by seasoning our chicken, and I'm using my go-to ground seasonings, which I'll have in the description box, and then some plain yogurt. They're happy now. They're happy now, Mama.
Oh, the pups are happy.
Just go ahead and add your plain yogurt to the chicken, and then you're going to rub this until the chicken is nicely coated with the seasoning. And then we are not really going to marinate this, but let it sit on the counter for maybe 20 minutes as you prepare your other ingredients, and you'll be set to cook it. You don't really need to marinate for long at all. So set it aside, and these are the vegetables that I'll be using in this recipe.
Hi, Mom. Hi, baby.
What are you doing?
I'm just shooting my recipes, baby.
Is this tomato or rice?
Tomato.
Is this spinach?
Okay, so there we go. Now, I'm going to add the onions first to the pan and just fry them. I'm using very little oil because I do not want the soup to be oily. So fry the onion for a minute and then add in the ginger garlic paste. You could also use just garlic if you don't have ginger, but the ginger adds a good taste to it. Now, after the onions and the ginger garlic paste are cooked, go ahead and add in the chicken and just keep stirring constantly because you do not want the yogurt to curdle. So just cook the chicken until it begins to release its own juices, and then go ahead and add the tomato. I like to grate my tomato because it blends into the soup nicely, but diced tomatoes could work just as fine. Cover and let the tomatoes cook a little bit before we add the rest of the vegetables. So now it's simmering, it's looking good. We are going to add in the carrots and the potatoes. I have all the measurements in the description box, by the way. So mix those in, and now we are going to add more liquid. I'm using water. If you want to use chicken broth, it's fine. Just add enough. This is a soup, so I made it very soupy. I mean, if you want to add less liquid, it's okay. Now we are going to simmer this until the potatoes are about 3/4 way cooked, or we could say halfway cooked. Doesn't matter. We'll be adding one last ingredient later. So once the potatoes are almost fully done, and we know that the chicken has cooked nicely too because it's very simple, easy chicken to cook. Now go ahead and add in your spinach. I like to add spinach rather than just cilantro in this recipe because not only does it add the green contrast, but you get some more vegetables in there. It's a good way to eat spinach. It's very tasty. At this point, add in a little bit more salt, and if you want to add any other seasoning, you could do that. However, I'm keeping this a very simple dish, light in taste. Now our dish is ready. I let it sit for a few minutes to thicken up a little bit, and now it looks good. No cornstarch, nothing to thicken it. It's just a very simple and straightforward dish, good for kids, good for the entire family. I really hope you love this dish. I'll see you in another video. Thank you and bye bye.